Next up is installation of lighting. Click on Add New Item. Choose the light type as per the plans or drawings or at your discretion. For example, for the D1s, choose downlight and then add the quantity needed. Important to note here, if you are supplying the light fitting, insert the unit rate per light fitting and insert the unit rate for labour. You can find the suggested labour rates in the labour unit rate sheet located on the guides page. Again, if the item is not currently available, click on Create New Item and, as always, this item will now be available in all your tenders. Moving down the page to light wiring. Enter the light feed length in metres as per the switchboard location. Then enter the lighting loop length as per your discretion. Next, if applicable, enter the number of two-way switches that are within the project, along with the average length in metres. If you are supplying the light fittings for this job, your markup tab is located in the tender summary section. Next, we scroll down through derived items. Here, it's important to note that quantities are auto-calculated as per the input previously entered in the light wiring section above. Also remember that your material rates are set to default as per your factory settings. Now, insert your labour unit rate as required. And last thing in this section is switching. Hit the Add New Item button and select the relevant switch or sensor type. Insert the quantity needed and then insert your labour unit rate as per the unit of measure.